So today's Father's Day 2014 and I am videotaping Vance's car. It's a 95 and it's got the original chromey wheels on it. One of the few stealths still running around in town, and I thought I'd take an opportunity to shoot a quick video for y'all while I was here. Don't see many stealths around anymore, so I thought I'd shoot y'all a video. Everyone's used to the 3000 GTs. I'm informed that the chromies are the original wheels for this cure, and first year they came out. I don't know if you can hear the car running, but it is running. It's in excellent condition. We're shooting a little bit into the sun, but I thought I'd do a little walk around for y'all. Here's a good 3/4 from the rear. Whale tail, dual exhaust. I have to thank him for cleaning the car for me today. Sunroof. And we'll take a few shots of the interior and under the hood here in just a second. So we're back to a 3/4 in the front view. And now if we can get the interior opened up, we'll take a quick peek. It's got the graphite gray interior with the matching leather graphite interior seats. Still in really good condition. There's a dash. There you go. Really, just a really clean car. The back seat still has the dust cover on the back, grocery cover. Sunroof, and we'll take a peek in the back real quick. Still has the grocery cover, which on my car always wants to hit me up in the chin when it pops out of place. And we'll take a look underneath the hood real quick. Here's the other side of the interior. Nice tinted windows. Someday he'll find original floor mats for it.
They're in the garage.
Yeah.
I don't want to damage them.
Yeah. Did you hear that? He took them out so that he didn't wear them out. Maybe I should do the same thing. Let's see how the stick shift feels, just out of curiosity. Oh, nice and tight. Alright. And a little peek under the hood here. Really quiet underneath the hood, no lifter check. AC compressor still in place. This is the way I like to see them, unmolested. The owner's still wondering why I want to shoot a video of it, but I think all y'all understand. Really a nice, clean car. Well, happy Father's Day and enjoy the video. Stay tuned.